Hi everybody, welcome into the studio. Today we're photographing with Molly and we thought we'd just do a little bit of bridal boudoir flow just so all our boudoir photographers, if you're looking to use a kind of a bridal as an intake for work, then it's just a part of your shoot, not the whole shoot and things ready, okay? So just around about a 10-minute flow for you to actually kind of really add into your shoot and things ready. The wonderful Molly is looking like a ghost, she says, so let's bring her in anyway. Come on in, darling. I'll basically start with you against the wall, if that's okay with you. If you literally just rest your back against there a little bit more. Let's get our first kind of shot done. So again, it's more silhouette now than it is a portrait at this point. So it's looking to be a little bit more dynamic. Let's just do the quick test shot to check we've got kind of flow, which we connection, I should say. So let me just open the exposure up and just go to a lower point. Molly, let's just kind of bring the hands up to the veil as if you're pushing it out. Can you lean forward for me? So put the hands underneath the veil. That's it. Keep them away from the face fully. And if you look profile, bring them out a little bit lower for me, please, Molly. Looking down, please, darling, if you can. That's lovely. And again, keep it. Stay there for me. Now look to the window for me, please, Molly. It's lovely, darling. Let's just bring both, let go of the veil. Let's bring the both hands high towards here. That's lovely. Bring them together and lean onto the wall. That's beautiful, just there. Let's swap legs. So use the leg nearer to me. Can you actually hide the groin? So push the knee over towards that way. That's lovely. Keep it again and again for me. Take the sides of the veil up into the hands and do exactly the same pose. That's lovely. And again, that's beautiful. Keep it. Let me shoot the flat shot as well. It's gorgeous. Knees together again, please, Molly. That's lovely, darling. Looking down towards the floor for me. Keep it. Brilliant. Let's turn the body around towards the cupboard and lean the hands onto the cupboard. And just there. So looking down, so just almost bury the head for me again. Keep it. And the fuller length as well. Go up onto a toe with one image for me, please, darling. That's lovely. And again, it's gorgeous. Okay, let's do that same shot with your back against the cupboard, but can you go into a squat without falling over? That's lovely there. Let's do it. Keep again. Let's push the veil away from the face. So actually put it behind. Oh, no, do you know what? Let's do the hands away again before we lose it. That's lovely. Let's keep it. And again, stay there for me. Look into your right. More. And let's lose the veil behind the head fully so I can see your face. It's beautiful just there. Push the bottom away from the wall a little bit more so you can lean onto your shoulders without slipping. That's it. And use the hands. Yeah, if you're looking to your left, please, Molly. Let's do that. Keep it. Again. Let's use the hands out to the veil. Just do a minute. It's lovely. And again. And just bring the veil around towards the tummy and looking down towards the hand as if you've got an engagement ring on. That's lovely. Again, stay there. It's lovely. Just drop one knee down for me, Molly. And now lean the body against the wall again. That's beautiful. And again, darling, keep it. And just pretend as if you're going to bring the veil over the top of the head for me again, can you? It's lovely. Bring it across. More fully now. And just looking down towards your right. That's lovely. Let me just check the exposure's looking good in there. It's beautiful. Okay, Moll, if you can stand up for me, please, darling. Let's get you onto the bed. I think we'll lose the shoes. Is that okay? Please, if you just lose the shoes by here for me. Oh, in fact, whilst you take them off, let me take the shot. Do you want to move to this side? Around to the side of the bed. That's it there. And if you take them off there, nice and slow, I'm going to get a photograph for a minute as you do it, yeah? Okay, let's do it. Again. Taking them off fully now. So we may as well get that shot, isn't it, really? I take it off fully. That's it, both of them. Just leave them on there. And I was going to go into the, if you stay there, Mon, I was going to go into the kneeling pose straight away, but because I've brought her onto the end of the bed, I think if we twist her body just a little bit more round, can you twist towards the window more and lean onto that left hand more? Keep it. I think we've got a shot there already. Bring the hand up towards the bra strap again, like you can do. That's lovely. Molly, lay back down onto your back from there. So the transition was going to go on to the kneeling pose first, but then I just thought, well, you know what? She's on the edge of the bed. The natural transition is just to lay down anyway. And literally, we're there. Stay there for me. Okay. Bring this hand towards the veil more. The left hand for me, please, darling, more. Keep it. Let me just get the wide angle. 1 sec. I suppose in my head, I'm thinking, whatever you do, Cleghorn, don't forget to do some shots without the veil on. Because otherwise we couldn't tell who's who. Quick shot, it's lovely. And again, it's love it. Mol, let's take the veil back and just lean it onto that. Keep the hands there if you can. That's lovely, darling. And again, keep it there. Straight to me. Let me just check you're in the actual frame. I'll do it again in case. Second. Straight to the window now. Excellent, like that. Come up onto the bed more for me, can you? Yeah, just change back to my 50. And let's just almost bring your feet up to you. Can you put the veil behind you on the bed, so don't sit on the veil? At this stage, we've got to remember, of course, she hasn't got married, so we don't want to cause any damage to probably a 300 quid veil. In fact, I think this one, when I was given it by one of our bridal designers, was 800 quid. Ouch is the word, yeah. So bring the feet, that's it. Bring them up higher, 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 than that's beautiful. And just let's do the shot. Keep it. Look into your left, please, Molly. Keep it, it's lovely. Grab down towards the feet for me. And look into me, please, Molly. Can we cross the feet a touch? That's beautiful. Looking out now. Keep it. Again for me. Whilst I'm here, let's lay down a touch. So go onto your arms first. Whoa, that's it. So I'm going to go with the flat light first. Before I kind of move back again, because I haven't done any really well-lit black and white shots yet. Molly, can you grab a little piece of the veil in that hand? That's lovely, it's there. Keep it. Looking out here, please, Molly. Happier, darling. It's going to be the happiest day of your life. It's rubbish, by the way. It's not going to be the happiest day of your life. It's all with it. It's going to be chaos, you know, and blah, blah, blah. Anyway, that's good. Let's go to the kneeling shot before I forget a minute. So let's go to the kneel. And just, towards there. You can turn the body to the profile more for me if you can, please, Molly. Now, remember, if we were photographing and there was the likes of a white curtain behind her, and I had flash coming through it, we're going to get a great, almost silhouette-y kind of image as well. So very, very similar to what we've got here. Okay, let's do it again, Molly. Keep it. Let me just check it looks good. It's gorgeous. Let's just open up just a touch. Exposure, that's lovely. Move my focus position. That's lovely. Can you reach behind as if you're undoing the bra or doing it up, whichever you think? Stay there for me. Shoot the same shot. It's gorgeous. Slightly turn the knees to me. And I'm going to move. That's lovely. Let's do it. Keep it. Straight at me, Molly. Let's use the hand with the veil. Pushing both hands out to the veil and looking off to the side. Let's keep it. It's gorgeous. And again. Stay there for me. Eyes to me, darling. Happier. That's lovely. Lean the head onto here just a touch. Pinch this piece of veil in. That's lovely. Better. Again, big grin, happier. It is not going to be the best day of your life. You're going to hate it. Okay, that's lovely. And again. It's beautiful. Okay, let's do your back to me. So point towards there. You're going to come up a little bit higher than off the knee. So come up higher. I'm just going to fuss your veil. You can take the photographer out of the weddings, but you can't take him out of the finesse. Okay, hands up towards the veil again at the top of the head. That's lovely. As if you're just adjusting both at the same height. That's lovely there. Let's do it. Keep it. And again. Beautiful. Okay, Molly, let's turn your knees towards the cupboard for me. Face towards there. Let's sit back down. Look towards the window again, Molly. That's better. Cover yourself in the veil. Can you now? Please was the word, Mark. It's beautiful. Good girl. Do it again. Keep it. Right, let's physically lose the bra a minute, yeah? There you go. So use both, turn to profile again, so turn around to me more. There you go. Keep it. Keep it. Let me just check they're coming through, Molly. That's it, done. Keep it. It's lovely. Look away from me just a touch. Okay, if you go in, stay on screen for me, please. If you go in to sit on your bottom with your legs out ahead. It's gorgeous, there we go. Keep it. Bring the knees up high, Molly, and almost bury your boobs in your legs and hang onto your legs below. That's lovely there, it's gorgeous. Keep it again. Look profile, so look towards the cupboard more. Keep it. Let's use a hand to cover the boobs again for me. That's lovely, it's there, let's do it. And let's lay back, please, Molly. Looking towards the window again, please, darling. Keep it. Eyes to me, please, Molly. Lean the head over to the side a touch more. A bit happier. It's lovely, it's there. Looking out towards there. And imagine you're groomed to be in a clown outfit now, please. That'll freak you out. Here you go, that's lovely. Can you just bring some of the veil across you, so cover the boobs with it, and use the one hand to cover both boobs. No, we'll do it as you did it a minute. That's lovely. Looking out towards the side again. More. Back eyes to me, please. It's gorgeous. Stay there for me. So if you're just joining us, we're shooting some kind of images as if the marketing has been based around bringing in brides, but we're using it as just a part of our boudoir shoot to get some ideas. Can you move right down the bed for me, please, Molly? Let's make sure it's coming through. There we go. You don't have to have my feet in the photographs. Okay, let's do it. Again, eyes to me. It's gorgeous. Keep it. Looking away, please, darling. More. Twist the body around towards me, just a touch. A little bit more, darling. More. It's gorgeous there. Let's do it. And again, eyes closed. Last shot. Bring the right knee very high. Very high. That's it. Keep it. Eyes open again. It was great. Looking away again. Beautiful. And you're done. Relax. Hang on. Cleghorn wants to take another shot. That's lovely. Keep it. Okay. Stay on screen, please. Both hands to each side for me, please, Molly. One on each side. Wide. That's lovely. Keep it. Cover over, Molly. You're done, darling. Let's wait for those images. Lovely. And we'll lose Molly. Nice shots.